Zero versus first conditional, the battle of meanings. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of English grammar. More specifically, we're going to explore the differences in usage and meaning between the zero conditional and the first conditional. These two grammatical structures can sometimes be confusing, but don't worry, we've got your back. Let's start by understanding what these terms mean. The zero conditional is used for situations that are always true, like scientific facts. In contrast, the first conditional is used for real and possible situations, usually in the future. Here are examples of each. Zero conditional. If it rains, the ground gets wet. First conditional. If it rains tomorrow, I will stay at home. In the zero conditional example, the situation is always true. It's a fact that when it rains, the ground gets wet. On the other hand, in the first conditional example, the speaker will stay at home only if it rains tomorrow, a real but uncertain future event. Now that we know what each conditional means, let's look at their differences in usage. The zero conditional is typically used to talk about general truths, scientific facts, and habits. For instance, we might say, if you heat ice, it melts. This is a general truth that always happens. The first conditional, however, is used to talk about real possibilities in the future. We use it when we believe the action in the if clause is likely to happen. For example, if I finish work early, I will go to the gym. This is a real possibility that could happen in the future, not a guaranteed fact like in the zero conditional. On to the differences in meaning between these two conditionals. When we use the zero conditional, we are implying that the result of the condition is always true. It's a cause-effect relationship that is always valid. On the contrary, the first conditional indicates a possible cause-effect relationship that might occur in the future. The result is not guaranteed. It depends on whether the condition in the if clause takes place. There you have it. In summary, remember that we use the zero conditional for facts, things that are always true, while we use the first conditional for real, but not certain, possibilities in the future. I hope this video has clarified the differences between these two conditionals for you. Keep practicing and you'll master them in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.